Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are back with yet another amazing hiring from Fluke Engineering. So Fluke Engineering is looking for interns, and this internship opportunity is for 2025 and 2026 batch students. So let's check out in this video all the eligibility criteria followed by a complete registration process, and watch the video till the end so that you do not miss any kind of important update. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because on daily basis we are posting full-time and part-time opportunities for 2024, 2025 and 2026 batch students. Also, we are running a TCS preparation course which students are enjoying, and many students are texting us back like their first round was very good, and we wish them luck for their future rounds, and hopefully many of our students are going to select on higher packages in TCS. So let's start the today's video. As you can see on my screen, you will be getting this link in the description box. So it is from Fortive Careers, but you can see Fluke Engineering is looking for interns to join our SaaS. It means Software as a Service Development Team. In this role, you will be working on our enterprise software products on coding, testing, debugging, and other areas under mentorship of senior developers. It means this would be like a software developer internship to gain practical skills and knowledge. Your ability to explore different areas of software development, such as web, mobile, API, DevOps, and gain experience is essential for success in this role. Of course, many of engineering students from computer science or IT or electronics branch are interested in full stack engineering, right? They have been going through the courses on Talent Battle also. They have enjoyed the full stack development course that is completely free for all the masterclass students. And we have given them all the skills, and they have also learned them very well, like they are working on real time projects. So all those students also have skills related to these parameters mentioned here. Do mention these skills in your resume so that your resume gets shortlisted. Let's check out what's your responsibilities. So understand business needs and work with senior developers to implement and maintain the code. Assist the team in the development and testing of software products. Learn and apply user-centered design principles in software development. Learn and apply the industry practices for development and maintenance of software products. Participate in agile development processes and team meetings. Contribute to improvement, enhancement of existing software products. Ability to communicate better and work collaboratively with the team. So these are the responsibilities. Now let's check out what are the qualifications required. So a bachelor's degree in computer science or related field is required. Yes, 2025 and 2024 batch can easily apply, but 2026 batch can also like try doing this, because you are also pursuing the same bachelor's degree in computer science, and it is an internship opportunity. So most internship opportunities are accepting 2026 profiles as well. Self-motivated individual thriving to learn new technologies and framework, agile thinker, highly developed analytical and organizational skills, strong communication and presentation skills, organized and committed to continuous improvement, knowledge on software programming and relational database management systems. So these are the qualifications required, and these qualifications, or we can say preferred skills, are always there with each and every student of like talent battle and computer science engineering, because these are basic skills, right? So while making your resume for this company, do prefer highlighting all your skills, all your projects, or if you have done any internships in the past, do mention them so that your resume gets shortlisted. Make them nice. And if you want, our mentor should check your resume before applying to this company or any company. If you are preparing your resume or you have any doubts related to placement preparation, we are just one call or text away. Our links have been given in the description box. Reach out to us on our social media handles like WhatsApp and Instagram channels, where we are helping thousands of students to clear all their daily queries free of cost. And if you want to have one-on-one mentorship session with one of our good mentors, you are also like, don't worry, we can also arrange you that as well, which is completely free of cost. Just you have to just comment down below, right? Next, moving further is something about the company. So they have given brief information about the company and about Fluke. So do read everything. Okay. So this is an internship opportunity. Location will be updated. It's written Karnataka, India. So just click on apply now button. Let's check out. So to apply, please upload your resume. So let me just upload my resume here. I'll just pick up some demo file. This is a demo registration process. So, okay, so just fill your information correctly. Do you want to subscribe? You can, it's optional. So I'm not clicking on that box. I'm just uploading my resume over here. It will take some time to upload your resume. Within 2 to 3 minutes, it will be uploaded. Just be on the Windows scene. Okay. So as you can see, it's loading into another page. A form, maybe a form will open up now. Yes. So wants to know your location. So basically, I'll not allow, but you have to allow your location. Next, you have to fill in your email address over here. So as we don't have any account, we have to create one account. So I'll just fill my email address here. So I have written my email address. I'll click on next. Okay. So again, they're asking for resume. So I'll upload my resume here. Just upload my resume here. So I'll upload my resume here. And now what we need to do is we need to just check on our email ID. We will be receiving a link as well. Okay. So there is some more information. We have to fill last name, first name, title, middle name, email address we've already filled. Your phone number, your address is okay. So fill the address correctly. And next is some application questions. Have you ever been employed by Fortive or any affiliate company? So you can fill yes or no, but most probably it must be no. Then you have to write e-signatures and just click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, you will be getting one notification on your email IDs. Okay, so let me just fill the complete form for you. I just fill once all the forms to check if something is there in further. So I have filled all my information here. I filled the complete form, and these e-signatures are compulsory. Write your full name in capital letters and click on submit now. So they have saved the information. They have created login ID page for me. So see, now my application is received, and I have also received an email on my phone. So I'll just check what's written on that email. So yeah, so you will fill and you will get an email, and it will be written like we have received your job application for intern, and there will be a code. If your profile corresponds to our requirements, a member of our recruiting team will connect with you. So now my profile will get shortlisted, and next all the information will be there on the emails. So to keep checking your emails and also try to fill the exact information, your resume plays a very good role here. So I wish you all the very best, those who apply for this particular internship. This is a very good company to work with, and it's a group of associations. Many companies are under this association. So if you have any queries related to anything related to this job or any previous job postings which we have made on Talent Battle website or on our YouTube channel, so you can just comment down below. I'll be answering to all your queries. Till then, stay tuned. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you. Bye bye.